Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best resin 32 ounces is probably one of the most versatile and essential tools for any DIY enthusiast, artist, or crafter looking to create stunning, durable, and professional-looking projects, offering a generous volume perfect for larger pours and intricate designs that demand precision and a smooth, bubble-free finish for everything from tabletop coatings and jewelry making to encapsulating objects and creating unique decorative pieces. Number 5. Craft Resin 34-ounce Crystal Clear Epoxy Resin Kit. Unlock your artistic potential with our premium clear epoxy resin kit. It allows you to create beautiful pieces with a glass-like finish that won't yellow over time. It's popular for DIY art, tabletops, molds, coasters, and jewelry making. Tired of bubbles and uneven finishes? Our advanced formula automatically releases air bubbles when warm. For best results, we recommend a depth of 1/4 inch. Our epoxy is made with low-odor, non-toxic, and VOC-free materials. It's perfectly formulated for home and professional use, and is harmless to you and the environment when used as directed. It only takes 24 hours for our crystal epoxy resin to cure and become rock-hard. It's scratch-resistant and can withstand heat up to 203 degrees Fahrenheit, giving you a clear, glassy finish that lasts for years. Our 2-part epoxy resin kit is simple to use, even for beginners. The kit includes everything you need to upgrade your resin game and elevate your art to the next level. What we like. This product offers a superior bubble-free and UV-resistant finish, certified as food safe. If you are looking for a reliable resin for detailed jewelry making or coasters that need to withstand sunlight and food contact, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The resin is easy to mix and pour, with a low viscosity that allows for excellent bubble release. It cures to a crystal clear, hard finish with minimal yellowing over time, making it ideal for jewelry and decorative items. The UV resistance is impressive, preventing the cured resin from degrading or discoloring when exposed to sunlight. Number 4. Crystal Clear 32-ounce Epoxy Resin Casting and Coating Kit. Introducing our 32-ounce Crystal Clear Epoxy Resin. It's specially formulated to be non-yellowing and bubble-free, making your projects look flawless every time. Designed with artists in mind, this 2-part epoxy is crystal clear, non-toxic, and odorless. It's even FDA food safe, perfect for kitchen items. Achieve a high-gloss, rock-hard finish that resists scratches and yellowing. Its anti-UV properties ensure your creations stay vibrant and protected long-term. With a simple 1-to-1 mix ratio and a 40-minute work time, it's incredibly easy to use. Enjoy a smooth, transparent finish without common issues like craters or fish eyes. This versatile kit is perfect for a wide range of applications, from jewelry making and river tables to countertops and art projects. It mixes beautifully with all your favorite craft pigments. Join professional crafters who trust this 1:1AB resin for their creations. It's the ideal choice for achieving perfect color fusion and stunning results. What we like. Experience a truly odorless and non-toxic crafting session with this high-gloss, scratch-resistant epoxy. If you are sensitive to fumes or working in a shared space, or if your projects require a durable, pristine surface like countertops or river tables, this resin is ideal. What people say. The resin is easy to mix and pour, with a low viscosity that allows it to self-level beautifully. It cures to a crystal clear finish with no yellowing, even after prolonged exposure to UV light. The finished product is incredibly durable and scratch-resistant, making it ideal for tabletops and countertops. Number 3. Craft Resin Deep Pour Epoxy Resin Kit 51 ounces. Introducing the Craft Resin Deep Pour Epoxy Resin Kit, designed for pours up to 2 inches deep. Achieve a stunning, crystal clear finish with our upgraded bubble release formula. Experience easier mixing and faster air release thanks to its reduced viscosity. This low exotherm cure runs cooler, minimizing bubbles and overheating risk for bigger pours. Elevate your projects with safe, single-layer pours up to 2 inches deep. Our premium clear epoxy resin and hardener deliver a time-efficient, glass-like finish with enduring clarity. This epoxy resin is minimally odorous, non-toxic, and free from VOCs. As a food-grade product, it's perfect for both home and professional use, ensuring safety and environmental friendliness. Achieve a rock-hard, scratch-resistant strength in just 48 hours. It offers excellent heat resistance, guaranteeing a crystal clear, glassy smooth finish that lasts for years without cracking. Perfect for beginners, our kits are easy to use and include everything needed for your resin art. Take your creations to new heights with this comprehensive kit. What we like. Achieve impressive single-layer pours up to 2 inches deep with its low exotherm cure, all while being food-safe certified. If you're aiming for large-scale casting projects like river tables, encapsulating flowers, or creating substantial art pieces without multiple pours, this is your go-to. What people say. The resin is very clear and cures hard. It has a low viscosity, making it easy to pour and self-level. The finished product is bubble-free and has a glossy finish. Number 2. Nicpro 32-ounce Crystal Clear Epoxy Resin Kit. Achieve a stunning, high-gloss finish that protects your artwork. This crystal clear epoxy resin is designed for durability, resisting heat, scratches, and yellowing to preserve your creations. Craft with confidence using our food-safe, non-toxic, and low-odor formula. It meets food-grade standards, making it perfect for creating safe kitchen items like trays and glassware. Our self-leveling epoxy resin is simple to use with a 1-to-1 mix ratio, perfect for beginners. It covers approximately 8 square feet and offers a workable time of 30 to 45 minutes before curing. Ideal for a wide range of projects, from jewelry and crafts to resin painting and figurines. It blends beautifully with various pigments and inks for endless artistic possibilities. We are committed to your satisfaction. If you have any questions, our customer service team is ready to assist you within 24 hours. Choose us for your next stunning resin artwork. What we like. This resin provides a high-gloss, durable finish that meets food-safe standards and is incredibly easy to use with its 1-to-1 ratio. For beginners or those who prioritize a simple, foolproof process for art coating, casting, or DIY crafts, this offers great value and a professional look. What people say. This resin is very easy to use and cures crystal clear. The finished product is durable and scratch-resistant. It has a low odor and minimal bubbles, making it great for detailed projects. Number 1. Custom Shop 16-ounce Paint Mixing Cups, Box of 100. Get a box of 100 16-ounce mixing cups, perfect for any project. They even come with 12 free lids to keep your mixtures fresh or for easy storage. Achieve perfect results every time with clearly marked mixing ratios. These graduated scales ensure accurate measurements for all your liquid projects. Made from tough polypropylene, these cups are built to last. Their solvent-resistant design makes them ideal for automotive paints, stains, and more. Whether you need disposable or reusable measuring cups, these are the solution. The clear plastic allows you to easily see the contents inside. Perfect for auto body shops, artists, and DIYers alike. Use them for epoxy resin, acrylic pouring, wood coatings, or even garden applications. What we like. Get a bulk pack of 100 solvent-resistant cups with multiple graduated ratio scales for precise mixing. If you're frequently working with epoxy resin, automotive paints, or other liquids and need accurate measurements and a convenient supply, this set is perfect for efficiency and cost-effectiveness. What people say. This is a great product for the price. I love this product. It is so easy to use and works great. This product is amazing and I would recommend it to anyone. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.